Alright, so this is Deaf Boys TV. You got me, Zilla, boy KP. Starting up this thing. We got a regular 04 Toyota Corolla. You know, looks alright. Working on it. About to put in air horns. My first original horn. Well, here's how it goes. Now, if y'all heard that right, here, I'll do it again. Alright. Now here's what it's going to sound like. Grab it like this. This guy. Here's what it's going to sound like with the air horn. I'm scared out of my mind. It's going to be so loud in here.
I say 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. One more time.
So there we go. From this to this. Just like that. Deaf Boys. Now see, I mean that's the little motor, and that's the two horns. I just kind of threw it in there just so we could hear it real quick. Bought it up here in Dallas for like $45 or something. Could buy it off of Sonic Electronics for like $40 if you order it. But yeah, so there you go.